Hi, I'm 16 years old and I've been having family problems for a long time now. This summer I've been thinking about moving out with one of my friends. She tells me that it will all work out fine as long as I don't tell my parents what's going on. Other friends of mine have told me that it's a bad idea, and I've even talked to my brother about it. What should I do? Okay, well, I think it's always best to talk to your parents about stuff like that, especially when you're moving out. If you're already having a stressful environment and drama, then it's only going to make it worse. Yes, you may be away from them and you may be living on your own, but that's not going to stop them from driving over your house and banging on your door every day. That's not going to stop them from trying to force you to come home. That's not going to stop them from trying to make your life a living hell. So I think you should try to handle it like an adult and actually talk to them and be like, hey, I'm gonna move out. I'm not comfortable here. This is where I'm going. This is the address. This is the phone numbers you can reach me at. I need to get out of here, you know. If you're going to do it, then you're going to do it. But you should probably give them a little heads up. I mean, I feel like it's almost like diffusing a bomb that could be really, really, really big. My personal experience with this is when I was around, I want to say 17, me and my dad got in an argument, and he basically like made the threat like, you know, if you don't like it under my rules, then move out of my house. And I did. So basically he came home from work and all my stuff was moved out and moved into my friend's garage, and then I moved into my grandparents for a couple of days and then got my own apartment. He was extremely pissed off. He was super mad and he was like, bring your shit home right now, you better not fucking leave, blah blah blah. And it was really intense and really dramatic, but I ended up moving out anyways and doing all that. And ultimately, basically, if I would have stayed and talked to him, I'm sure that matters wouldn't have really been any better, but I don't know. Probably would have been extremely stressful to stay home and try to have that conversation with him that I was moving out and leaving, and then I would have had to deal with him trying to force me to stay, and that would have been some BS. But basically, since you're 16, I don't really think you're technically old enough to move out and live on your own yet, so your parents could call the cops on you, have the cops come to your new house and take you out of it and take you back to their house. So that wouldn't be cool. So I feel like you should probably, since you're not really old enough to move out legally, that you should sit down with your parents and try to have a real conversation. Try not to be so dramatic and over the top. Just try to be very serious and try to be honest. Try to be humble about it and just say, I want to move. I want to move in with my friend. This is where we're going to move. Here's the address. Here's phone numbers you can reach me at. Like, you know, to make it seem better. Because a lot of things could go wrong and it could be a really intense time. So try to diffuse that as much as you can. But again, that's something that I personally didn't do. I ended up moving out. But at the time, like I said, I was like 17 or 18. I was actually old enough to go. I believe I was 18 when I did it. So legally there was no boundaries or anything. So, you know, just be very careful. Hopefully that helped you out somewhat, and hopefully you figure out what you want to do, and good luck, and I hope you get this problem solved for real. And if you guys, the viewers, have any comments to tell them, or you've been through a personal, like, similar experience, then leave a comment and kind of let them know what you did or how you feel about the situation. If you're a parent, let them know how you would feel if your kid just left when you got home and moved out and you came home to nothing. So, you know, let's help this person solve their problem. And I guess if you want to go finish watching Ask Swifty, then you can go over here and do that. But if you don't, then I'm a birdie and I'm a total weirdo. Okay, bye.